Alligator crocodile. If you are a beginner looking for a quick way to decorate Thanksgiving candy apples, get in here. If you need to make your holiday candy apples shine bright like a diamond on the treat table, get in here. If you are in the grocery store trying to make $1 out of 15 cents, get in here because you can't buy nothing in that store for 15 cents or $1. You're a day late and $1 short. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to learn how to make the best candy apples in town. This is Candy Apple TV with DIY Queen Diva. Honey child, I gotta be real quick because I gotta go to the grocery store. Roll out your fondant. Get you some white fondant. And I made this candy apple like a khaki color. So with that, you add your white and just a tiny bit of chocolate, Hobby Lobby gel food coloring. You place your fondant over your candy apple. You pull down on it until you shape it. Now pull the extra fondant off of your khaki candy apple like this. Go ahead and shape your fondant to fit around your candy apple until it's smooth or as good as you can get it. Take the fondant piece off the paper straw. Smooth out your fondant. Get another piece of fondant, and what you're going to do is shape it for the pumpkin stem to go on top of the pumpkin candy apple. I will shape this as I go. This is not the shape that the final stem will be. Take your fondant wheel and make your lines on your pumpkin. You want to do this light until you get your desired line. Go over the line again and make the line deeper on the candy apple. Repeat the steps until you're finished making these lines around your pumpkin candy apple. Thank goodness this fondant piece didn't stick because I need to take it off and take some more fondant off. So I am reshaping this, taking off some more fondant until I get the look that I want this pumpkin candy apple to look like. Okay, it's stuck, so I must work with it because the fondant piece really attached this time to the pumpkin candy apple. So I am working with it. My lines are good. Now I take some fondant and roll the fondant here, and I make long strips. You can use a candy apple stick or whatever you have and wrap the fondant around. And this will make the curly cues on top of the candy apple. I am going to take some gold luster dust and put lemon extract in it and color these gold. Also, the stem will be gold. So you do this and just put it to the side until it forms its shape. When you're ready for it, you just take it off, slide it off. This is my pie crust silicone mold, and I will put the link down below in the description box. So I am using this to design the pumpkin candy apple. I did not use Talos powder, but I am going to get my fondant roller and just roll this to make sure I got the fondant in the silicone mold really good. And then take another fondant tool and just scrape the extra fondant off like this. Make sure your fondant is in the lines. Any extra fondant, just use whatever fondant tool you have and scrape it off. And then once you're done, you just pop it out. I am making my pumpkin stem look presentable. Take your decorative strips and cut accordingly after you measure how long your strip needs to be. Apply just a dab of water on the back of the fondant and attach it to your pumpkin candy apple. Repeat the steps until you are done. Take your curly cues off your stick. Now you can attach this with a dab of water or with your sticks. Fondant is really sticky, so I really didn't need any water. I just needed that candy apple stick. So this is the gold luster dust, and I am adding lemon extract. You do not want your gold luster dust to be thin, so don't add too much lemon extract. Now, if you don't have lemon extract, you can add vodka. A lot of people use vodka. I just choose to use lemon extract. I am painting my gold luster dust on the pumpkin stem on top of the candy apple, and I will also color my curly cues gold with the gold luster dust as well. take your candy apple stick and attach your curlicues on your candy apple pumpkin. If you cannot do this like this, just add a dab of water. If you have enjoyed this candy apple tutorial, make sure you stay tuned to watch my next candy apple tutorials coming up right here on Candy Apple TV. I'll see you in a few seconds over in my next video.